So I'm up at Japan Koi Imports just buying my bits I need to finish my grow on, and my god have they got some fish in at the minute. Spooked them, they really have. I mean, obviously there's always fish on both sides, but this is the tank to be. Real high-end fish in this tank, and they've got some real nice jumbo Tosai tanchos. I mean, the tanchos in here, some of them 40, all over 30. As you can see, there's 2 down there. I think there's 4 in here in total. They're Issa, they're tancho, and a jumbo Tosai. They're only 250 quid. Absolutely ridiculous prices. But like I've said a million times before, the facilities that these guys have here, what you see on video is nothing compared to how big this place is. Obviously I've seen it all backstage a long time ago now, but behind that wall there they've got another 8-10 ponds, something like that. Big ponds as well, not little ponds. So they buy in bulk, and by buying in bulk obviously saves a bit of money. By saving a bit of money, they can pass it on to you guys, because again, look at that, 195, 185 for 2, or 175 for 3 or more. And again, all decent sized fish, up to 50 cm, maybe even 60. That fella back there, some are only 30. But tank of mixed koi, but as I say, it's that tank over there. If you want your real high end, that's what they use that tank for. And you've got your monsters over here, well, except for the really big pond at the back there. That's where all the big monsters are, but that's a bit empty at the minute because they've sold a lot of their big monsters. Need to get some more. So now that I've got the bits I need, I'm going to go home and start working on the vat. I will snap back to you when I get home. Hey up, pond lovers. So yeah, as you've just seen, I've just been up to Japan Koi Imports again. Yeah, been up there again just to get the bits I needed to finish the grow on. So I've come home with a bag of goodies. So you'll see them in a later video. This video was going to be stuck in the queue with all my other videos, and I've got videos racked up for a good few weeks yet. But yeah, while I was there, I got chatting with Brendon. Also picked up some more 3 meal colour food for the fry, or Tosai. I got chatting with Brendon. They've got obviously big plans. Obviously you saw there they had their first ever open day at the very beginning of the year. But what they're also doing this year, which is coming up very soon, which is why I've decided not to put this video in the queue, because I did promise give them a shout out, because a couple of weeks ago, while I was going through a really bad time, I got a little parcel in the post. Initially I thought Mrs. Keeping It Koi had been shopping online again, but no, the parcel had my name on it. I wasn't expecting anything, and when I opened the parcel, inside was a little box, and I'm sure a lot of you know what's in a box like that, and a little note. One for your collection, Brendon. And it really kind of cheered me up when I was going through a very dark time. So let's have a look. Japan Koi Imports have joined the mug club. So yeah, as he says, another one for the collection. That collection is getting massive now. So yeah, massive shout out to Brendon for that, for cheering me up. And he didn't even know I was going through a bad time. But that's not what I'm here to talk to you guys about today. Brendon was telling me today they have a growing show coming up on the 31st of August. So what are we now, July? Middle of July, towards the end of July. 23rd of July today. So big growing show. What I'll do, I'll put some details on the screen now to show you, and I will give you a bit of information while it's there. So it's Japan Koi Imports' first growing show event. It's Hiroi Jumbo Tosai, and they are jumbo. He sent me a couple of little pictures today of the fish. I'll put them up in a minute as well. But yeah, they're not great pictures at the minute because he hasn't individually photographed them all and put them in bowls and stuff yet, because they are technically still in quarantine. But yeah, it's Saturday the 31st of August, judging to take place August 2025. There's going to be 2 categories, heated and unheated, prizes for most percentage growth and a prize for best development in both categories. First prize is £200 Japan Koi Imports voucher. Second prize £100 Japan Koi Imports voucher, and third prize a £50 Japan Koi Imports voucher. Best development will be judged by a guest judge to be arranged, plus a £100 voucher for best koi voted for by the customers. And what that basically means is they will put a photo out on their Facebook and WhatsApp group, a photo. They'll put all the photos, should I say, out on their Facebook and WhatsApp group for then all their customers to vote which fish they like the best. And then that will also get a £100 voucher as well. It's £150 per ticket, 50 tickets available with 80 koi to choose from, so even the last person gets to choose from 31 koi. So you certainly won't be going home disappointed. Now, as I say, he sent me some pictures of these koi. Now, they're all above 30 cm, all really nice. There is a mix of everything. Their grow and show is all fish from Hiroi, so it's basically best growth and best development from the picture. You'll get a little certificated picture when you take your fish away, and it's basically the best growth and development from the moment you took it to when you send your photo in 1 year later. God, the sun's beaming out on me today. So yeah, that's going to be a fantastic day. And I tell you what, the fish for 150 quid is absolutely phenomenal. I mean, he even sneakily said to me there'd normally be sort of a £200 fish, 195 to £200, which you're already saving 50 quid, and you get to partake and might even win more than your money back. £200 voucher at the end of it for first prize. So yeah, get in contact. They've got a WhatsApp. You can find that via their webpage or via their Facebook page. I'll put some links down below for their website and Facebook and whatnot. But yeah, get in contact with them. In a week or two there'll be individual pictures of the fish and bowled up pictures of the fish of what we're going to be choosing from. So yeah, get over, check it out, have a look. If you're within driving distance, definitely worth a visit. And I know a lot of you guys that have messaged me over the years with the amount of times I've been up to Japan Koi Imports. You've all said fantastic place, you want to go. Get in the car and go. It's going to be a fantastic day. Busy, busy, busy. And on top of that, he has sneakily told me that they might even do an end of season open day this year, and maybe put some sales on. So I will keep you updated on that one. But yeah, the fish house is going to be. You saw in the little clip I had when I was up there, it's already rammed full. But there's a lot of fish currently in quarantine that are going to come out just before, the week before or whatever, the actual event. So not only if you partake are you going to go home with one stunning fish, but you've got then the choice of thousands and thousands and thousands of other fish. And as you can see by Japan Koi Imports prices, they're not expensive, and they are dealing with some very high-end fish these days. A little bit above my budget, some of the fish they're getting in, but yeah, if you like your nice fish, they have got something for you. If you like your cheap little Tosai like I do, then they've got something for you and all. So yeah, thanks very much for chat today, Brendon. Thank you for everything I needed. Didn't even come home without a thing. And it's always the way with JKI. They have everything always in stock. Absolutely always. Every pipe fitting and bit and bob you can think of. So on that note, guys, thanks all for watching. Like the video if you haven't already. Get down and check out the links for WhatsApp and Facebook for JKI. And we'll catch you on the next one.